are suggesting that powerful governments, judiciary, the collegium finds it difficult to take on powerful governments, whether they be of the Congress or the BJP.
Yes, and not just the present set of judges, the prior set of judges as well. I mean, this is not a phenomenon that is ascribed only to this set of judges.
So you do believe that the collegium is scared of powerful governments?
Yeah, they could be. They could be.
They
Yes,
could be.
yes,
I think that's what Justice Lacour meant when he said it could be politics, the fear of power.
yeah, but you see, everything is mixed up with politics. How do we separate the judiciary from politics? We cannot. Therefore, you have to have that. You see, that's why constitutional experts abroad have come to this conclusion, and that's the important thing. That why do they have an opposition in the British Parliament, and why is the leader of the opposition called the leader of His Majesty's opposition, the leader
Yeah.
of Her Majesty's opposition, not just
Yes.
opposition. That is to say, that democracy doesn't work unless you have the government and the opposition.
All right.
And
Sriram's wanting to
you
come
have
in, but I
respect
didn't.
for both.
Yeah, Mr. Nariman's going to be very angry with me if I don't say goodbye soon. Sriram, 30 seconds to you and then closing word to him. Sriram, go ahead.
Fali may remember an old rhyme from the 1920s, Finley Peter Dunn. It says, the Constitution follows the flag and the Supreme Court follows the election returns. That's 1920.
That's quite cynical. That's quite cynical. Mr. Nariman, what would you expect the collegium to do in response to the op-ed that the three of you have written?
No, I know what they will do. Nothing. That's why I say it's a bit impetuous of us to have said we want an answer, etc. We can't get an answer. There's no question. But we can certainly have a debate as we are having just now and decide the thing for themselves. Because I don't blame the present set of judges or the previous set of judges. That's not a question of apportioning blame. It's a question of seeing whether we can have a system that works. I'm not very sure what that system should be, and therefore, in that sense, I am deficient. But that has to be pointed out at some point of time, and this is a stark case, like it was Justice Pence's case.
All right. I'll only say long live the impetuous nature of ideas and debate. We need more impetuous debates. I'll say thank you to Sriram Panchu, to Fali Nariman for starting this debate. It's a needed debate. It's a debate that isn't coming from a framework of government versus collegium, which is how the debate has been framed thus far. And that is why this is such an important debate. Thank you, Mr. Panchu. Thank you, Mr. Nariman. A privilege to have you with us. See you soon.